What is good, y'all? It's your boy Gary, aka In Gary We Trust, aka one half of the These Are the Aesthetics podcast. And here I actually giving you a vlog of basically in Wynwood, Miami during Rolling Loud weekend. It was a very fire week. I didn't stay there for the whole week. I stayed there for the day, but literally, like, this shit was like, it was really cool. I really went there, me and the homies, to go there for the Filthy pop-up and Kevin's Market pop-up. Literally, I guess you can say I was naive. I did not know there was so many pop-ups going on in Miami the whole entire week, especially the day that I actually went, because literally everything was there. Like, there was a VLONE pop-up, and I actually just found out there was a vertebrae pop-up going on for the weekend. There was a Sicko pop-up. There was an Andrew and Diva pop-up. There's like, everything was, so much stuff was going on in Miami. It was literally kind of hard to consume it all at once. So basically, this is just my experience I'm giving you guys of, like, basically what I literally went through going in Miami. The traffic was crazy, but obviously it's Rolling Loud weekend, and I only bought like 2 tees. I really went there to go for the Filthy pop-up and just to shoot content for y'all. And so I literally bought, like, this was like literally the talk of the town, the Filthy t-shirt. This is like a collab. The price is a little bit higher on this one. This was $75, but honestly, I think that was like probably a steal, because literally this shirt was literally flying. I got there, it started at 2. I got there literally at 4, and actually no, 4:30. And this is literally the last XL he had. I wanted a large that was literally sold out. Cheech didn't even end up getting a t-shirt. This is I actually got something from Kevin. This is his Mother Nature t-shirt. This was a Miami exclusive as well. But honestly, I'm not even trying to like gas them boys. Like Jerry and Kevin, they actually had, honestly, at all the pop-ups I went to, they literally had the most popping pop-up in Miami. And it's crazy that even though I know that it's technically, you can consider it a Palm Beach brand, but it was literally in Miami. That was literally the most jumping pop-up out of the whole entire Wynwood. So it was really dope to see, and I'm literally just giving you guys everything I literally went through. Just literally everything I experienced in Wynwood, because it literally gave me Art Basel vibes the whole time I was there. So enough talking, so let's get right into it. So good old day in Broward. We're on our way to Miami.
Yes, sir.
I guess this right here I'm about to call just like taking you guys on a ride to what Miami looks like during a Rolling Loud weekend. First we're going to the Filthy pop-up, and then the plans are very scattered because there's a lot of shit going on. There's a VLONE pop-up, there's a Young NAF pop-up, there's a Billionaire Boys Club pop-up, and there's actually
hit them all up.
There's actually a Cactus Jack pop-up. Alright, let's see how this day is gonna go. That's hard. That's hard. Need that.
That shit hard. Go with your shit right now. called Andrew, just like the cookie spot. It's a real chill place. I only saw like 4 or 5 dudes in the store just chilling. So it looks like it's about to freaking rain, so we gotta like hurry this shit up.
It smells good as fuck though.
Yeah, it smells like pizza.
There's a
Bro.
place right there.
Oh yeah, we finna have to
Indian
get that.
cuisine. That shit do look fire.
That shit's alright. We gotta stop somewhere and get some food. So I ain't gonna hold you.
For sure. So left Andrew. We're literally about to pull up on the Sicko pop-up. They close at 7. It's like 6:53. So let's see how this goes.
Last second customer.
That does smell really good. See a little taste of Central Wynwood. Let's see if we're actually gonna be even allowed to walk in here.
Oh, Sicko, you right.
Should open as. It's crazy how you can find all this shit out on Twitter. Cheats, let me see the shirt. Oh, there you go, bro. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, I fuck with that shit.
Yeah, I think.
Man.
We outside right now. Pop up with Miami. Just see what God said.
Shit's dope, bro. Shit's dope. Yeah, bro. I've been following you for a minute, bro. Alright, so I stopped to use the bathroom somewhere, and now we're going to like the VLONE pop-up. Them boys went in there already, I believe. Walking to the VLONE pop-up. It should be somewhere around here.
Yo,
Can I come in or
close.
close? Kind of with.
Huh?
Cool, like I'm with them.
Are you shopping?
We're
You trying to get something?
I don't know. I haven't seen the stuff yet, man. I would love to answer that question if I knew what was in. Yo, that's all that's here, bro? Yo, that's all that's here, bro? Yeah.
Nothing. What's wrong with that white one?
Are you buying anything?
Yeah, it was.
So we just left the VLONE pop up. It was mad short. Cause dude was a dickhead at the door. Like,
Fuck that nigga. You didn't even go in there and look what.
you
what
should.
a long
Are you gonna buy anything, nigga? I don't know what's in here.
What time you think we leaving?
Probably after we eat. Cause I was literally just waiting until like what's it called? Until rush hour's over.
Nah, I didn't appreciate that.
Yo, so quick PSA to people who work in these these exclusive stores. You ain't above nobody.
And you don't judge the book by its cover. Like niggas could come in there trying to really spend money. Like niggas see you wearing Travis Scott. Niggas see you wearing some Travis Scott ones, but giving you attitude at the door. Like nigga, we came here to shop. We gotta see what we want first.
I gotta feel your garments before I feel like I want to fucking buy this.
You should definitely niggas that work the VLONE pop up. Y'all need to check the
That
people
nigga
at the
probably
door.
getting like $18 an hour.
Weak ass out of town niggas need to tighten the fuck up.
Yeah, if y'all working in these exclusive stores, you ain't above no one. Just remember that. I can't eat ice cream before dinner. Can't do it. Oh, that's his boy. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Yo, we're an 8th Street fan, bro. One of my favorite rappers right now. I literally pulled over just to say that you were my favorite rapper. Yeah, you should.
You're doing what you're doing.
Respect. Respect.
Good.
Everybody jacking your shit, man. The freestyles are paid.
Bro, we literally just ran into freaking Benny the Butcher. Zelda.
Big Griselda up in that motherfucker.
Bro, there's so much shit going on in Miami. I can't even freaking digest everything all at once. Just ran into freaking KODAK making ice cream, and then Benny the Butcher just literally chilling on the street.
And yes, that is the end of the vlog. Basically, to sum it up, that we were literally, the last thing we did was we went to this spot in Pompano called Perry Wings. Really dope, highly recommended. But yeah, man, I just wish that hopefully that this year's Art Basel is honestly the same turnout, but maybe hopefully even bigger. So I just want to say shout out to everyone, for everyone that actually said what's up to me. I appreciate y'all. I had like a lot of fun out there. Yeah, the events was really dope, but I'm not trying to be biased, but the Filthy and Kevin's Market event definitely was the best in my personal opinion. I'm not riding or nothing. I'm just literally just in my opinion. I had literally the most hospitality too. So yeah, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm glad I told you guys I'm trying to give you guys a little bit more content than usual. And yeah, it's your boy and Gary Trust. Again, one half of the These Are the Aesthetics podcast every Saturday. And yeah, I'm out. You guys enjoy, man. Later. Be easy.